guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
For someone with a curvy frame, it's very important to dress right for their size. Basically, you need to underplay certain areas and accentuate the right angles of your frame. Technically, I'm trying to say that you choose dresses that flatter your beautiful figure. So today I have Devisha with me.
Hi Parna.
Hi Devisha.
Hi guys.
So Devisha, you want to tell them what you do?
So I'm a graphic designer at POPxo.
So we're doing a video which is into the wardrobe of a curvy girl. So Devisha was wondering, what kind of limitations do you face when you go out shopping?
So it's actually all about the fit. For curvy girls, it really depends from person to person. So some people have problems with their thighs or their stomach or their arms. Like for me, it's mostly my arms and my stomach. Hopefully the tips and tricks ahead will kind of change things.
I hope that too. So today I'm going to show you some flattering outfits that are going to work perfectly for your curvy body.
So go ahead girls and flaunt those curves with confidence.
And let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got amazing merchandise, guys.
We have planners, phone covers, laptop sleeves and lots more.
The link is in the description box below, so click on it and shop now.
And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Fashion.